Anna. Manisha, the brand is Uptown Lela. Uptown Lela. She's based out of Gurgaon. And let's see the beautiful collection of the earrings.
Yeah, I'll show you. I'll start with this one. So it's the earring, and this is an ear chain which goes up to your hair.
Oh, beautiful. What range is this in? 5500 only. My brides who want the minimalistic yet stylish look, this is the Hustley in the range of 6500, and there's a green color as well. Here is the option of green as well. This is the most gorgeous piece you can ever see in the range of just 12,500, and we can have so many more beautiful colors. These earrings can be worn separately too as a statement piece. So if you are that funky bride who wants to have a lovely look, it has red and green. Plus there's a beautiful option in this beautiful color. 8500 with earrings, and they have some stunning rings as well. If you are a fan of those nano clutch bags, this is another lovely option. It's 2500, can be tucked on the lehenga as well. So on that note, don't forget Manisha Uptown.